Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix iPhone lock screen freezing after the iOS 27 software update. If your iPhone's lock screen freezes after installing iOS 27, don't panic at all. In most cases, the issue is caused by temporary software glitches that can be resolved with a few reliable troubleshooting solutions. That's it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, I will recommend you to force restart your iPhone as the main solution. Note that a forced restart is the quickest and most effective way to fix a frozen lock screen because it refreshes the system without deleting your data. So you just have to press and release the volume up button. Then you have to press and release the volume down button. Then you have to hold down the side button, aka the power button, until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Note that your iPhone will reboot, and in many cases, the lock screen will return to normal. This process doesn't erase any personal data or settings, making it the first solution you should try whenever your iPhone becomes unresponsive after an update. Then I will recommend you to update all your apps. It's worth pointing out that outdated apps may not be fully compatible with iOS 27 and can sometimes cause system instability or lock screen issues. So open the App Store on your device and then you have to hit your profile at the top right. Then you have to choose the updates option and then proceed to install all the updates for the apps that are freezing, or I will recommend you to update all apps in one go. Then I will recommend you to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. It's also important to point out that if Apple has released a new version of iOS 27, it may include bug fixes specially designed to resolve freezing issues. So head over to the Settings app on your device and then choose General. After that, select Software Updates, and then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device, and that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix the lock screen freezing problem after any software update on your iPhone. I hope the lock screen has returned to normal and begun to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.